Let me get my hands on him. Wait like that. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Hey, what is that fella? He was here just a minute ago. I saw him with my own eyes. Now he went over here. Oh, hey, stick it in your head. He's like the brick wall here or something, huh? He must be a magician. Wow. The table's a 20. Oh, yeah? Take that. Push out. Oh, yeah. Push out. Hey, you must be an S-person. Oh, yeah. You missed. Hey,